In this video, we'll be discussing some of the features and frustrations of the Square Appointments app and how those frustrations fed into the design of our business management app, Pocket Suite. Let's dive into it. In 2014, Square acquired a company called BookFresh in an effort to integrate appointments with their payment processing system. While the move was well intended, the way that the two apps integrate leaves some room for improvement. One of the core issues with Square Appointments lies in the fact that it's a standalone app. It's designed in theory to integrate with other apps like Square's POS and third-party apps, but the integration just doesn't quite work. Setting up Square Appointments as a standalone app is not only inconvenient to users who have to constantly switch between apps just to accomplish simple tasks, but it also means that a lot of the communications that should exist between the apps just don't. Additionally, because users have to integrate multiple apps, each one specific to their needs, the setup process can get super cumbersome. In contrast, Pocket Suite was set up as a business suite from the beginning. That means you can manage your booking, your payments, and your general CRM needs all in one place. From the moment you log into the app, everything is already integrated for you. That means getting your business going and getting it growing is much more efficient. Arguably, one of the most important aspects of booking appointments is calendar integration. Yet Square has made the active decision not to integrate with iCal. Over 48% of phones globally are iPhones. Since 2016, their users have been asking for this, and Square's response is crickets. Of course, there is a workaround by integrating Square with Google Calendar and then integrating Google Calendar with iCal, but it starts to feel like another knot in the rat's nest of integration that Square has thrown together. On top of that, the only way to really set up your calendar integration is through their online platform, which means if you're a mobile-first user and you need to make quick changes or updates on the fly, you can forget about it. Pocket Suite, of course, integrates with iCal and Google Calendar and a bunch of other calendars to make your booking process easier. The integration's already done for you. From the second you log into the app, your calendar is synced with your appointments, which is synced with your payments, which is synced with your customer profiles, which means that your business can get up and running way faster. Every business is different. Their needs are different, and their needs change over time. Having a platform that can customize to your business needs is integral to your business's ability to adapt and to grow. And Square makes it complicated. Customizing settings across multiple apps and then having to tie those apps together is already hard enough. On top of that, making your users dive through extensive pages with tons of lists of settings is really overwhelming. Yet despite the extensive feature lists, some of the core elements of business needs are still missing. Like, what about the ability to ask your clients questions while they're trying to book you? Or have them sign waivers to make sure your business is covered in case anything happens. Luckily for you, Pocket Suite's designers are here for you. We built all those things directly into our all-in-one business suite. You can take deposits, you can have your clients fill out questionnaires, and have them sign liability waivers. It's also worth mentioning that every single one of our features has a video tutorial linked directly to it to make your customizing process much more streamlined. Well, hopefully now you have a sense of what Pocket Suite is, and more importantly, how we use customer feedback to design our app, whether it's from our own users or from Square's mistakes. Also, make sure to check out our channel for exclusive interviews with successful business owners, business tips, and a whole bunch of other information that'll help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.